Pelonis heaters include important safety features that can cause them to shut off automatically. Understanding these features and knowing where to find the reset button is essential for troubleshooting your heater. The reset button location varies depending on your Pelonis heater model. Let's examine the most common locations where you can find this important button. Some models have the reset button inside the unit, requiring you to remove a few screws to access it. This internal button is typically small and round. Oil-filled radiator heaters often have a distinctive red button on top that pops up when the heater shuts off automatically due to overheating or other safety triggers. Knowing where to find your specific model's reset button is crucial for troubleshooting. Always check your user manual for the exact location, as it can vary significantly between different Pelonis heater models. Now we'll walk through the complete reset process step by step. Follow these instructions carefully to safely reset your Pelonis heater. Step 1. Turn off your heater completely and unplug it from the power outlet. This is crucial for your safety before performing any maintenance. Step 2. Allow the heater to cool down for at least 10 minutes. This cooling period is essential to prevent burns and allow internal components to reset properly. Step 3. Inspect the heater for any obstructions, such as dust, debris, or objects blocking the vents. Carefully remove anything you find to ensure proper airflow. Step 4. Plug the heater back into a working electrical outlet. Make sure the outlet is functioning properly and can handle the heater's power requirements. Step 5. If your model has a reset button, locate it and press and hold for 5 seconds, then release. Some models may require removing screws to access the reset button. Step 6. Turn the heater back on and test its operation. The reset process should now be complete and your heater should function normally. If your heater still doesn't work after following these steps, consult your user manual for model-specific instructions or contact customer support for further assistance.